All right, so we've got the crank out here on Joey's, and now we can actually inspect the bearings that were in the block and in the
For the rods?
For the rods, in the top part of the rods, and it's not pretty. There's look at main number 1.
You're glaring.
Chewed up. Look at that.
That looks a lot better.
And then let's go down here. Look at that's cylinder number 1.
It's not pretty.
And this is number 5. Remember before when we did just the caps, they were pretty bad? Look at how bad that is.
I can see the marker.
Now, main number 2, it's not terrible.
Here, move the light.
But rod number 2 was pretty icky. I'm trying to get you better lighting.
Yeah. But just when you shine on the caps, main caps,
Yeah.
is when it starts.
On rod 5, look at that. It's down to rod 6, rather.
Yeah, it's no bueno.
No bueno at all. Now, the thrust, we were already discussing the thrust and how chewed up it was. But the actual bearing itself for number 3, not bad. Now, rod number 3. Can you see that?
Yeah.
That's not good. Rod 7. It's chewed up as well. Main number 4, not bad. Rod number 4, holy moly.
Yep.
And rod number 8, also. And it's weird because it's not even centered.
Nope.
And main number 5 wasn't bad either. So, I'm going to put the crank, well, the crank's out. I'm going to measure the crank. We're going to put our main caps back with the bearings torqued. And we're going to measure it for bearing clearance just to see how out of round things are. But at this point, the crank's going to have to be turned. The rods are going to have to be resized. So that means the heads are going to have to come off. It's definitely looking like it's going to need a trip to the machine shop, unfortunately. But we will have information here coming up just a little bit.